For God's sake!
Alright, don't think you're getting away from me that easily, you stupid broom! Even if you don't like it, you're gonna help me win this race!
I've had enough.
A few scratches won't scare me! Diana, the cool beauty is now in the lead of the country! Did you manage to hold on? Do you think Akko is okay?
She finally decided to just give up.
Something's coming! What it means! Akko is actually flying in a balloon!
You're joking, right?
Akko?
Would you agree? I'll get you next time.
In third is the dark horse, the rebellious Amanda!
Am I angry? I am.
I found it first, so give it back!
It's not the stupid business. Stuck in here.
Amanda's disqualified! She failed the baton pass!
I've got
Too
a
bad
secret
this isn't a
weapon
bonus
under
passing
my
relay.
watch.
What a crazy turn of events! It's mono a mono between Diana and Akko!
Fine.
But she's just barely hanging on.
Still
What's the
impressive.
time?
Akko! Good luck!
It's time to die.